If we begin to piece together the implications of the ideas that we have sketched out thus far from Goethe, Sheldrake, Wittgenstein, and even Plato himself, what we seem to find is something like this. There is a reciprocal, recursive relationship between the psychical and corporeal domains of reality. Psyche gives shape to the world by providing possibility spaces which living organisms are able to navigate as they grow, transform, evolve, and make decisions. Once these moments of actualization have been determined, they become incorporated into the past and therefore come to form a body of living memories, which we might otherwise refer to as the natural world. Nature is the domain of embodiment, and bodies are essentially complexes of memory. Every cell in your body is the continuity of a past cell division. Every scar is the memory of a past injury. Our bodies are effectively reservoirs of the past, which are carried forward into the future. Drawing upon the works of Sheldrake, Henri Bergson, and Alfred North Whitehead, we can conclude that the entirety of the natural world is in fact such a body of memories. All material entities within the world are the continuity of past decisions which have already been made, and which are carried forward into the present by a kind of ontological inertia. Or to phrase this in a more classical manner, we could say that this ontological inertia is the activity of the Saturnian spirit within nature. These memories then come to be integrated into the realm of psyche. They come to be composited in such a way that they become the basic archetypal templates of the forms which we see in plants, animals, human language, and all other morphogenetic processes which make up our world. This perspective would seem to be radically anti-Platonic, as it implies that there really are no eternal forms in themselves, but rather forms which are actively shaped through a mutual reciprocity between the transcendent and the immanent. Forms within matter become spiritualized through a compositing process which we could refer to as noesis, anamnesis, or simply as thought. These thought forms then give shape to living bodies, behavioral patterns, and ultimately the human symbolic thinking which we see in language, culture, art forms, technologies, and spirituality itself.